tama, yun ang nakakalungkot. We received a report of just the recent shooting incident. Although our data shows na medyo may reduction pa nga doon sa hate focus crimes natin. Mayroon tayo 14% something na reduction doon sa focus crimes natin. But we cannot deny the fact na one shooting incident is one too many. Hindi ako mag-claim dito na mababa yung data natin. It's all our data. After all, yung nararamdaman ng tao, yun ang importante sa amin. If you don't feel safe, we must be failing on our jobs. So, ang assurance ko sa ating publiko, the police of whole Northern Mindanao here in the Region 10 are working 24/7 para paigtingin ang ating police presence pagdating sa kalsada. And aside from that, andito yung ating usual police operations, checkpoints, and Oplansita para ma-complement yung pagpapatrolya ng mga police natin. I assure our kababayans that we will not let up. We will prevent as much crime as we can. Kung mangyari na ito, we will solve these crimes para may pakita sa katawag sa mga kababayan natin that crime does not pay. And that, alam nyo, ang number one deterrent ng crime is certainty of arrest. Yun ang gusto kong iparating. I will make sure that however difficult kung nalusutan tayo ng krimen, we will ensure na ma-arrest natin itong mga perpetrator.